Parging is the coating applied to the visible above-grade portion of your home's foundation walls. It is applied to both poured concrete and concrete block foundations to hide surface imperfections, marks from formwork, and the like, so its role is essentially decorative. A parge coat is not a requirement under the building code, but it does have another useful purpose. It acts as a barrier against inclement weather, but it also helps protect against all kinds of other things that you'd really rather keep outside. These things include insects and rodents that can get in even through the smallest of cracks and holes. Curb appeal is an important part of determining a home's value. The value of the home due to curb appeal can increase when you try to sell it. If you're planning to borrow against that asset at some point, you're going to want the estimated value to be a high one. A freshly parged surface just looks better. When a house looks good from the outside, it speaks volumes about the care and attention paid to the overall maintenance of the home. The crew works on layering up the mortar with different types of custom-made mortar. This is designed to build strength and to be adhesive, and also allows a finished product that is nice and smooth. The reason why you want it smooth because of the water cascading down is that it avoids erosion. If it's wavy or unsmooth in any way, it causes the water to either accelerate or decelerate and commencing the erosion process. This is important to make sure the foundation parging can last. The final thing with parging is that ANA doesn't warranty parging work, but instead offers a lifetime service agreement on it. This is because parging is considered to be a more vulnerable type of masonry solution as far as water protection is concerned. Parging is known to inevitably fail at some future point. Therefore, if any imperfections arise after the work is done, ANA will come back and service the parging per the ANA service agreement. And now, with the parging done and complete, this foundation is now set with protection from water and other elements for the future. Combine that with a much better aesthetic appearance, the homeowner can be confident that the foundation is no longer at risk of this kind of deterioration. So if parging your foundation is a solution that you're looking at, if you want a top-notch job performed by the best in the business, if you want a job that looks great, make sure that you call the professionals at ANA and let them get to work for you with the best solutions for your situation. To schedule your next project, contact ANA Masonry today.